3 million people are currently staring at their phone screens, watching colorful little bubbles drift around, thinking they have much more money than they actually do. This is the strange reality of an app that has taken the finance world by storm with its stunning visuals and a very confusing way of doing math. We are talking about an interface that is so clean and so vibrant that it actually makes you want to open it up while you are standing in line at the grocery store. It replaces those dusty old spreadsheets with bright pie charts and sleek line graphs that tell a story about your life. One of the standout features is this clever little AI receipt scanner. You grab a photo of your receipt, and the app handles the rest. It pulls the price, identifies the category, and writes the description without you lifting a finger. It feels like magic when it works perfectly. For people sharing a life with someone else, the shared wallet feature is a total game changer. You and your partner, or even a roommate, can track expenses together in real time. No more awkward texts at the end of the month asking who paid for the internet bill. You can even hop on a computer and use the full web version if you need a bigger canvas to map out your future. It is refreshing to see a developer think about the desktop experience in an age where everything is mobile only. Now, the cost is where things get interesting. The free version is very limited. You get one wallet and one budget. You have to enter every single coffee and bus fare manually. If you want the luxury of bank syncing, you have to pay for a premium subscription. It costs about $36 a year. That is actually very competitive. Most of the big names in this space are charging closer to $60 these days. However, you get what you pay for when it comes to the technical side. There is a persistent pattern of bank connection bugs that you should know about. Your transactions might sit in a state of limbo for days while the app waits for the bank to confirm them. That lag can be incredibly frustrating when you are trying to stay on top of a tight budget. But the biggest red flag, and this is something most reviews completely ignore, is how it handles your net worth. It treats your credit card balances and your loans as positive assets. If you owe $5,000, the app adds it to your total instead of taking it away. It is a massive oversight that can give you a very false sense of security. If you are carrying debt and you need an honest look at your financial health, you need a tool that handles that debt with more accuracy. For just tracking your daily spending and enjoying a beautiful interface, it is a solid and affordable choice. It is active, it is maintained, and it looks great. But you have to decide if you want an app that looks good or an app that tells you the hard truth about your wallet. Sometimes the marketing is much prettier than the reality of your balance sheet. The truth is often hidden behind the most beautiful designs, and in this case, that beauty might be costing you a clear view of your actual net worth.